So we're back with this 2.2 we finished up. It's out here in the service area being trimmed out by our highly skilled technicians. It's got the 2.2 pistons and cylinders, a little higher compression. They're the S cylinders. It's got S-cams in it. The whole mechanical fuel injection has been gone through. It's been replated. We're finishing the install on it right now, probably another 6 hours or so, and it'll be going in the car.
The rebuilt engine is going back into a very special unrestored Preservation 911E. While the 2.2-liter engine was being rebuilt, our service techs gave it a meticulous, comprehensive service. Some of the highlights included a total suspension refresh with a new sway bar kit and upgraded Delrin bushings throughout. New brake calipers, pads, and rotors were also installed. With the 2.2-liter engine rebuild completed and installed, Nick optimizes performance on our dyno with a drivability tune, ensuring smooth power delivery throughout the entire rev range. At Patrick Motorsports, we handle anything and everything regarding Porsche. So ask yourself, what can we do for yours? To schedule an appointment, call Patrick Motorsports at 602-244-0911 or email sales@patrickmotorsports.com.